I'm Abrean Mackenzie, and I'm a student here in welding and fitting at the CBM.
And how long have you been in the course?
I've been here for 6 months now. I started in September 2020.
And how long is the course?
It's 14 months. It's a year and a half, roughly.
Okay. And overall, what has your experience been so far?
It's been lots of fun. It's hands-on. You have a bit of theory. It's like half and half. It's really great.
Okay. And your teachers are?
All friendly, very helpful, and always there to help. And if you want to try something that's not in the course, they're more than happy to let you, because that's what this all is just trying different things, because when you get into the industry, it's also all new.
Perfect. And coming into adult education and adult learning, how has that been as an adult? It's not the same as a high school learning?
No, it's not the same. It's really quick. We don't have as many breaks as high school and regular school, and it's more friendly. Everyone's different ages, and everyone gets along, rather than in high school. It's different. Everyone has their cliques.
Yeah.
It's really nice like that.
Perfect. And as a woman in welding, what has your experience been like?
It's been good. I mean, it's empowering being one of only a few women in the course, so that's like a big one-up on its own. And it also shows that women can do anything. They can work in men's jobs just as much as a man can do the job himself.
And are the men in the course open to?
Definitely. I mean, if they need help, they come see us. And like I said, everyone's really friendly. Everybody works together. There's no judgment, nothing like that.
And would you recommend this course to women?
Definitely, I would recommend it. If you want to work with your hands, if you're up for a good challenge, it's perfect.
And the future in welding, is there a lot of job openings?
Definitely, yeah. Now there's lots of older welders who are retiring now. And before, you would have to have many years experience to get on the job, but now since lots of them are retiring, you get in and they will teach you what you have to learn. So yeah, the job opportunities are wide, and this DEP is just a basic. It's just touching on everything, and then there's so many other courses that you can take to broaden what you would specifically like to do in welding.